tasty this is? Oh man, it's so good!
Yeah, but I have more important matters, Mario. That's the reason.
You're sneezing a lot.
But duh! Why do you think my problem is?
Hiccups.
It's you.
That's your problem?
It's you. It's not funny.
That is funny!
Mario, I just sneezed.
What's your problem?
I sneeze! It might turn into hiccups.
Maybe I can skew it out of you.
Yeah, you try. Well, aren't you going to scare me?
You have to go to sleep.
I'm not tired.
But you have to go to sleep.
I'm not tired.
No. Lullaby, get to sleep.
That doesn't work. You've seen that on cartoons. I know it. Well, I'll wake him up somehow. Oh, I know. This should wake him up. Oh. No, you know what? That's too violent. We'll just use this. Wake up!
Who is it?
I'm going to touch you across the room. Wake up! Wake up!
Get up.
Help me with my sneezing! What?
What do you want me to do, Cole?
What? No, think of all the methods!
I'll try to call the doctor.
No, you don't need the doctor!
I'll try. I'll try the doctor.
You're such an idiot. You're...
Luigi, he said we can't do anything about it.
Well, didn't you know that trick where if you smack me on the back of the head a few times, it'll go out?
Yeah.
Well, let's try that. Ow! Ow! Okay, I'm standing. You're gonna knock my head off! What?
Well, I think I got the hiccups too. Thank you. Here, I can get them out of you. Come here.
No, get off!
I can get them out of you.
Well, remember when Pappy used to pull down his pants and, moon me to scare them out of me? Maybe you can, scream at me and scare me. Go ahead, try it. That's pathetic.
I'll be back.
What's taking you so long? Are you serious?
Why won't my head stop moving? Still moving. That doesn't help. That just makes it worse. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, somebody call the doctor.
Nope. Wait, I know something that might work. Listen! If you smack my back, it'll get the hiccups out, right?
Okay, I'll try.
Oh, nice. Ah! Oh, that's not what I meant it. Ow! Ow! Okay, let's try a different approach. Well, hold my nose and hold my breath.
Well, I can try it again.
you stop praising on me? Gosh. Wait, have you noticed? Wait. Oh man!
One thing.
What?
If you keep picking up bang for the rest of the day, you'll need brain surgery.
Brain surgery!
Yeah,
Brain surgery! No! I don't want brain surgery!
then let me smack your back!
No, wait! I think they're gone. Oh, Mario! I think scaring it. You'll have to get brain surgery. That will scare you, won't it?
Just smack my back. Smack it.
No, well, I think the thing that you said about brain surgery worked. Thanks, Mario!
Smack my back!
Well, that's all for now, folks. Join in next week as a new episode of Mario Brothers Plumbing releases. Now get over here and watch me smack my brother's back. Die, devilfish! Tune in next week. Bye-bye.
Call the doctor!
That's Mario Brothers Plumbing. 555-1234. Shut up! If you need you clog it, we fix it.
You clog it, we
get out of here!
If you clog it, we drain it.
Whatever. Anyway, tune in next week. Bye.